Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show you step by step how you can use Monday.com for inventory management. So let's start. Now the first thing what you want to do is when you're going to enter Monday.com, you want to click on plus under main workspace and choose from templates. Here you want to write in the search templates inventory management and then just click on it. In the moment when you're going to click on it, you just want to click on use template. This is a simple, really intuitive template, and I want to show you around like how you can use it. So here what we can actually find is first we have a groups. We have group of a computer and TVs. I can simply add a new group, and let's say this group would be called for not only computers, TVs, but I can have like type of clothes. And then what we can find here, when I would add a new TV, and this is going to be, let's say, Philips. I can simply add a manufacturer. I can edit label, new label, Philips, apply, and choose it. Then I can order, like order ID. If I'm going to have order ID, it's going to be 511. Stock quantity 25. And you all write it here. Reorder level 55. Then I have also the reorder needed. Yes. Then I can also the stock check date when I was checking it up, let's say 6th of August. Unit price, let's say 500. And what will happen that this is a formula, so this will automatically like combine in the stock quantity with the unit price. So you see the inventory value of your televisions. Order status not ordered yet because we are full. Last updated, and then you have also the email for, let's say, the someone who is you are ordering everything from, right? So this is how simple inventory management can be with Monday.com. In a matter of 3 minutes I explained it to you all. Now of course what you can do, you can combine it with, let's say that you would add, let's say I'm going to delete these ones, and I'm going to show you what you can also do. So I can simply click plus here, and you can add like what do you want to actually order. So let's say that I want to click add here. I can add a new board. These are going to be the tasks. And here I can write what needs to be ordered. And I can have a TV based on what people want and what the customers desire. TV person, I can have working on it. And now here I can simply add a files, priority, connect boards, formula, dependencies. So I can have TV, then I would add a number, like I can even order ID, and let's say this would be TV Philips TV. Now you can also like what need to be ordered, and you would have also like televisions, like the board could be called what needs to be ordered, and I can have TVs and just write TVs here, numbers. So I can have an ID. This would be 511. Then easily I can add again how many, and I can have like, let's say 90, right? Then I can have a cost. Cost, let's say this is going to be for 250. And then what I can have is the value. And I can easily combine it. So, but this is not going to be numbers. I need to have a formula. Add support. And I'm going to have a column, which is going to be this one, and voila. So this is how we can have a really simple workspace, and how we can have like simple inventory management. Of course, I recommend like checking someone who is actually got a big factory or something and they're actually using Monday.com. I mean, for big factories, they wouldn't be able to, they wouldn't use, I guess, Monday.com. They would use something else. But this is pretty much it. So yeah, now what else would I show you? You can also have the tasks here. So what you can have is like what needs to be done with the inventory management. So you can create project management for let's say as a task management. So we'll just click add here, choose from template, design weekly tasks, or we can go and look for other templates that you would use, like cost estimate, budget plan, project timeline, daily work schedule. So that's something you can do. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. This was a simple inventory management tutorial. I hope you're going to have a great day. And this is like daily work schedule here that you can use too. I mean, there are multiple things what you can do. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.